My name is Christian Maynard, and this is Mr. Cookie, and welcome to a breakdown of cannabis laws in Arizona. Information here is drawn largely from the National Organization for the Reform of Marijuana Laws. As of 2026, Arizona operates under a fully legal adult use cannabis program, alongside a established medical system. Recreational cannabis is widely available through licensed dispensaries, making Arizona part of the growing number of states with dual medical and adult use allowances. Arizona maintains a relatively broad list of qualifying medical conditions, including cancer, chronic pain, PTSD, HIV or AIDS, seizures, glaucoma, Crohn's disease, persistent muscle spasms. Additional conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and ALS are also included, reflecting a more expansive medical program compared to some states. Arizona allows a full range of cannabis products, including flower, concentrates, and edibles. For adult use, individuals may possess up to 1 ounce of flower and up to 5 grams of concentrates. For medical patients, they may possess up to 2.5 ounces of cannabis every 14 days. And edible regulations include that per serving size is 10 milligrams, along with a cap of 100 milligrams per package. There are no broad THC caps across all product types, allowing for a relatively open commercial market. Home cultivation is allowed, with up to 6 plants per adult for non-commercial use, while medical patients may grow up to 12 plants if they live more than 25 miles from a medical dispensary. Dispensaries are legal and fully operational. While delivery is not permitted for adult use, it is allowed for medical patients, with caregivers permitted under the medical system. Arizona provides some protections, but they can vary by context. Employment protections are not provided for adult use, but available for medical patients. For expungement, individuals with low-level marijuana convictions may petition courts to seal their records. In addition, Arizona recognizes reciprocity, meaning that they recognize out-of-state medical patients, but with limits. Visiting patients may possess cannabis, but cannot purchase medical cannabis within the state. Arizona has one of the strictest approaches to cannabis and driving. It is illegal to drive while impaired to even the slightest degree, or with any detectable level of cannabis or metabolites in the body. This reflects a zero tolerance per se law, although registered medical patients are given limited protection if impairment cannot be demonstrated. Sobriety checkpoints are allowed, and enforcement is supported by court precedent. Penalties can be significant, including mandatory jail time starting at 24 hours for a first offense. Public consumption is illegal, with fines up to $500 for a first offense. Cannabis consumption lounges are allowed, but typically operate as a private or membership-only based approach. Even in a legal state, violations such as public use or impaired driving carry meaningful penalties. In summary, Arizona reflects a permissive but highly regulated cannabis system, combining legal adult use with strict enforcement around driving and public consumption. In the next video, we'll continue comparing how cannabis laws vary across states. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, get subscribed for more cannabis content. Have a wonderful day.